pen to paper something, you know? Read them up.
This coronation should be no surprise. You will always be the queen in my eyes. I see the reason you live in my life, but I want you to know that I'm hurting inside.
To all my lonely, me woulda call customer care. My mind is on you, but my heart is not here. You ran out of my damn life, all because of fear. And I'm hurt that you're hurting, believe me, I care. In my mind's YouTube, you had the top views. The overrated girl, me did like a stopwatch. And that's just the truth, so don't even judge me. Whoa, I know it hurts that you love me.
So, I had to let you know. Put me out in a envelope. Put me out in a envelope. 'Cause you are amazing. You are amazing.
When listen up now, like your perspective, the way you pre things. I like your outlook, the way you see things. But you want to know what really hurt my feelings is when you went and listened to the rumors. If me did want your body alone, me wouldn't show my heart. The way we